How is your day going so far? I'm Evgen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. It was time to repair Kenmore appliances. The company received a service call to repair a Kenmore Elite dryer in the Valley Gardens area of Winnipeg. Description: the Kenmore dryer is not spinning. Diagnostics: I turn on the dryer, but the drum does not spin. I remove the top cover and immediately visually determine the cause. The belt on the drum is missing, torn, and needs to be replaced with a new one. Repair: to replace the belt, I will need to disassemble the dryer completely. I remove the indicator board, unscrew the screws that hold the front panel and remove it. Under it is a plate with front rollers, unscrew the screws and remove it. I take out the drum. I do a visual inspection. All components look normal. Rollers and tensioner rotate without problems. Drum and motor have no damage. I clean the dryer of lint, install a new belt on the drum and disassemble it in the reverse order. Success! The Kenmore dryer works in all modes. The drum rotates and the dryer is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about repairing your Kenmore Elite dryer or any other appliances, leave a comment, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.